channel by Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last session, we have covered all the functions. And if you have still not watched those videos, the link has been given above. You can check out all those videos. And in this topic, in this video, we are going to cover the topic how you can link spreadsheet to the Excel. But before to that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, do not forget to subscribe so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification immediately without any delay. Let's jump into the topic. So now I have already uploaded the data in Google Drive. So here this is the sheet. This sheet name is a financial sample sheet. So as you can see here, everything it is reflecting segment, country, product. So we want all these details to our Excel. So how we can connect this data to the Excel side? So whenever someone will change any part of data, so our Excel sheet will refresh and again sync the data to Google spreadsheet. So now for simply to connect this Google sheet, what we have to do is we have to go to the file. So here once you will click, we do have the option called publish to the web. So you have to click it here, and here you have to click which Excel or which sheet you would like to sync with the Excel. So I would like to sync this data sheet. So now here as you can see, it is showing the link and this is showing web page. So we don't want the web page, we want the comma separated values, that is .csv. So once you will select here, so now you can click to OK. Okay. So we have this. Now just let me close this one, and here we'll go to our sheet. And in this sheet, what we have to is we have to go to the data, and in the first row, first column, I'll go to the data, and from here I'll click to from web. So once you will click here, this menu will appear, and here you have to paste that link which we have copied from the Excel sheet. So now once you will click here, it will start syncing this Excel sheet with that Google sheet that is in our drive. Okay, let's wait for some time. So all data are going to be reflected in this sheet. So now as you can see here, now it is showing that this data is in that Google sheet. So now we do have certain option here. Once is load and load to. If you will click on load, it will automatically create one sheet and it will load the data. And if you want to click on the load, then you have to select the range, the cell where you would like to place your data. And this transform data, if I'll click here to transform data, so it will take us to the query table where we can edit rows, column, or you can select the headers. Okay, so now you can see here it is showing this as our query table. So now here you can see this formula is reflecting. Okay, if you wanted to change, you can change some, but now I am not going to change anything. The simply I wanted to upload the connect this one to our Excel sheet. Okay, so here you can see this option close and load, but instead of close and load, I would like to go with close and load to. So once you will click in that option, it will show this pop-up where you have to select this table, and here you can see it is showing existing. So now I have selected this one. So as you can see, I'm selecting anywhere else, this values is getting changed. I don't want to update this data anywhere else in the sheet. I wanted to update here in A1 cell. Okay, so simply I'll click on OK button, and I'll also change some data in the Google Sheet. So we will see whether it's getting the data is getting updated here in this sheet or not, right? So now as you can see here, this data it is showing here. Now we do have one button that is refresh. Now I'll go to the connection properties, and if you want to select, you can give a minutes or 1 hour. You can give the 60 minutes, or you can give this refresh this connection on refreshing all, or here the refresh data when opening the file. So I will select this because whenever I will open this file, the data should get automatically updated. Okay, so once I'll click it here, then I'll just save this file. Let me save this file somewhere else in desktop and rename this one financial sample. Okay, so now let me save this one and I'll close this. Okay, now here I do have these values. So I don't want some columns, that is this one, discount band, this is showing none. I don't want it. So I'll simply delete this column. Okay. So as you can see, that column got deleted, and I will open that file which I have saved to the desktop. Okay, so now I'll click on this financial sample file. So let's see whether that column is still here in this. So now it is showing enable content. So I'll enable this. So here you will see again that this data is getting correct. So now as you can see here, this is showing a running background query. Okay, and discount band still it is showing, but this background query, this query is running on the background basically. So let's get it done. So the column discount band on the table was not found. Okay, so let me refresh this one and let's see what's happening. Okay, so it is showing that okay, this we have deleted from there. So that's the reason it is showing that this discount band column is not showing. Okay, anyway, one more uh, experiment you can say we will do here. I'll change some names from here. So let me change this one to India. Okay, and I'll copy this one and I'll paste it till 31st row, and I'll go to my sheet once again, and here I'll click on this button because this file has been already opened, and now we have to refresh it to connect the data. So now as you can see here, once it's got refreshed, this data has been changed till 31st row. So here also till 31st row. Now the benefit of connecting your Google Sheet with Excel sheet is, for an example, if you have a team who are working in Google Sheet and you don't want to touch the data, but still you want some information from that data, so you can pull the data or to this Excel sheet, and accordingly of your usage you can use the data without changing any values of the original data. This is how you can connect a Google Sheet with Excel sheet. So if you have any doubt, any queries, you can simply write in the comment section, or you can reach us out on our mail ID. Stay tuned with the Byte Boost so that you can watch more interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.